But for those who can endure it, so be careful how you run the first lap. Cause if you don't, you might flop. So take your time, take your time, take your time. You might stay focused. Yes, take your time, take your time, take your time. You might don't be no more. No. So stay in school and learn something, yeah. And forget about the bling. Cause the race of life is not progress-free. But for those who can endure. So draw your breaks now. You man, look left, look right, look left again. And take heed while you proceed, my friend. So take your time, take your time, take your time. You must stay focused. Take your time, take your time, take your time. You must, you can't be no more. No. So don't watch that bling bling. Stay in school and learn something, yes. Cause the race of life is not for the sweet, but for those who can endure it. So be careful or you run the first lap. Cause if you don't, you might flop. So take your time, take your time, take your time. Laticozine. Stay focused, brand new, right here, ITAL Rhythms. Also new, female artist who's taking the world by storm. If you're not aware of this system, you know, my Brittany Michael Kelker's been playing her tough on Positive Vibrations. It's Sister in Coffee. A popular track that's making waves on Billboard, it's called Toast. For you on ITAL Rhythms, Coffee.
Yes, this is 2025, August 17th, Sunday, baby, 2025. Sacred Earth Recycling, burning up the trash man. Trash man got to go and turn it into wonderful, beautiful pieces of treasures, you know? That's how we do it, yo. That's how we do it. That's how we get down with it. You're not gonna quit it. What I'm trying to do is pivot. But we have to get down with it.
So I'm gonna give him the dog, breathe, I'm in the light, and I know some of us are united. Party music, me excited, coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, my tongue tied to the journey, I just to the plus. You is a must, yeah, blessings fall by my right hand. But I told city friends that they love to be load one time, did sit down in a class and we poured that only
Good
said
stuff. Cooking water too. Might as well use that free freaking energy.